200 Galleria Officentre, Southfield, Michigan. This is elevator E. 100 Galleria Officentre is down there to the left and to the right. So this is elevator E. Let's take a ride on it. This one has Adams buttons. Might be a General. I've seen something similar to this. So this might be a General Oiltronic. No idea what these buttons are though. Oh, it's got a bumper too. 2 of them. No idea what these are, but this is cool. It does have Adams key switches though. That's really cool. And there's some office space over there. Original call button up here. Look at that, that's cool. There we go. Awesome. That will be it. And the up button made it reopen.